Who's trying on my sleeve? Who's trying on my sleeve? Who's trying on my sleeve? Those trying on seas, trying on beautiful team. South Africa is divided into 9 provinces, each with distinct democratic, economic, and geographic characteristics. Below is a comprehensive overview of key statistics for each province, including population area, population density, principal languages, economic contribution, and other relative metrics based on the available data up to 2025. Where possible, I have used most recent and primary from Statistics South Africa and other authoritative sources. Note that some data points, e.g. 2022 census, 2023-2024 estimates, may vary slightly depending on the source, and I've prioritized clarity and accuracy. So ndingathi ndiyaxoka kuba ndixoka. Ngiyambona apha mntu lo. First one, Eastern Cape le ndikuyo mntase. I-capital yayo, which is iBhisho, capital yethu bantu base-East Eastern Cape man. Populations by 7.2 million eGasbanis, but be 2022 man. 6.92 million 2024, no assessable, not by 10 million. Share of national population 12.6% 2024. Area 168,966 kilometers squared. 13.8% of South Africa's land area, second largest province. Sesibini province enkulu bahlobo nabahlobo. Population density 43 people per kilometer square, calculated from 7.2 million. Yabo. Principal languages is Xhosa 78.8%, Afrikaans 10.6%, English 5.6%. Main industries 2016 government services 21%, trade, catering and accommodation 18%, finance 16%. Economic contribution not specified in GDP terms but less significant than Gauteng, KZN or Western Cape. Unemployment rate yethu ke ngoku 43.3% iyasebenza Eastern Cape. As the metric pass rate man, 94.9%. Key features known for its natural beauty: Wild Coast, airports in Gqeberha, East London, Tata, and Bhisho. Universities like Walter Sisulu University. Free State, the capital of Free State is Bloemfontein, which is the judicial capital of South Africa. Population yaphangu 3.04 million by 2024. Share of national population 4.8% 2024. Area 129,825 kilometers squared. Population density 23 people per kilometer squared. Principal languages Sesotho 71.9%, Afrikaans 10.9%, isiXhosa 5.7%. isiXhosa sikhona ke phela sazi nami. Concept blamde bana bathi mfowethu bathi bantwana. Main industries, government services 15%, finance 14%, trade and catering and accommodation 13%. Economic contribution not detailed in GDP, but mining, which is gold, and agriculture are the key factors. Mining, agriculture, IP, Free State, bana. Unemployment rate 44.0%. It needs a metric pass rate 91%, highest in South Africa. Produces high quality diamonds, hosts the Supreme Court of Appeal, and features attractions like the UN World Heritage Site and the Golden Gate National Park. Number 3, 6. Wanna speed up, speed up. Gauteng, capital yakhona Johannesburg, population 15.9 million people, or 13.12 2024. Share of national population 24%. Area 18.178 kilometers squared. 1.4 of South Africa's land area, smallest province, Gauteng apparently. Population density 785 people per kilometer, 2017, the recent one. Principal languages isiZulu 19.8%, English 13.3%, Afrikaans 12.4%, Sesotho 11.5%. NesiXhosa sikhona xa yazi i-percent yakhona. Main industries: finance 22%, government services 19%, manufacturing 14%. The economic contribution 33.8% to 34.8% of South Africa's GDP 2016, which is $135 billion 2025 estimation. Unemployment rating 39.3, noko nje bayaphangela. Metric pass rating 88.4%. Key features: economic hub, home to OR Tambo International Airport and Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Highly urbanized, idolophu forward. Size kwaZulu, Zulu Natal. Capital yakhona ngiPietermaritzburg, population 12.42 million. Kanye masijonge recent 10.92 million. Share of national population 19.9%. Area 94.361 km squared. Population density 132 people kilometer squared. Principal languages isiZulu 77.8%, English 13.2%, Afrikaans 1.5%. 10 Afrikaans kuzo zonke ezi province ngawudika Afrikaans hafa. Main industries: manufacturing 16%, finance 15%, government services 15%. Economic contribution 16% of South Africa's GDP 2016, $64.6 billion 2025 estimate. Metric pass rating ubani? Your unemployment rating 46.7%. Metric pass rating 89.5%. Key features: popular tourist destination, major ports in Durban and Richards Bay, home to Shaka Zulu International Airport. Number 5 is Limpopo, capital yakhona Polokwane, population 6.57 million. Share of national population 10.6%. Area 48.554 km squared. Population density 100 people per kilometer squared. Principal languages: Sepedi 52.9%, Chitonga 16.9%, Shivenda 16.7%. Main industries: mining 25%, government services 18%, trade and catering accommodation 13%. Economic contribution not specified in GDP terms, but mining is a key sector. Unemployment rate 47.9%. Metric pass rating 85.1%. Key features: borders: Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Botswana. Rich in wildlife and cultural heritage. Number 6, which means 3 to go. Capital Mbombela, Nelspruit. Population 5.14 million 2022 census. Share of national population 8.3%, calculated from 62 million 2022. Area yakhona 29.535 km squared. Population density 107 people per kilometer squared. Principal languages not specified in detail, but isiZulu, Swati and Ndebele are common. Main industries: mining 20%, trade, catering, accommodation 13%, manufacturing 13%. Economic contribution: significant coal producer, but GDP share not specified. Unemployment rate expanded 2023 49.5%. Metric rate 84.9%. Key features: major coal producer, tourist destination with Kruger Mpumalanga International Park. Number 7, Sefik, Northern Cape. Capital, I want people to know this province yabo bayidinge ngani. Capital Kimberley, population 1.37 million. Then share of national population 22.2%. Area 372,889 km squared. Largest province, 30% of South Africa's land. Northern Cape. Wow. Area into sendibizile. Population density 3 people per kilometer square. Principal language: Afrikaans predominant. Main industries: mining 19%, government services 15%, finance 12%, economic contribution 2.1% of South Africa's GDP, 91 billion in 2016 yadala kodwa ndazi they haven't updated these things and that's why. Unemployment rate 43.3%, metric pass 84.2. Key features: arid, low population density, significant mining, diamonds and agriculture. 8 Northwest, capital yakhona Mahikeng, population 3.7 million, chef population 6%, area 40.495 kilometers square, population density 91 people per kilometer. Principal languages Tswana 63.4%. Main industries: Ngunda, mining 30%, government services 12%, finance 12%. Economic contribution not specified in GDP terms, but mining is a major drive. Unemployment rate expanded 53.5%, highest in South Africa. Metric pass rating 87.5%. Key features: mining accounts for half of the city's GDP. Largest city is Rustenburg. Ayogqibela yi-DA, Western Cape, obvious capital Cape Town, legislative capital of South Africa. Population yakhona bangu 7.4 million 2022 census. Share of national population 11.9%, area 49.986 kilometers squared. Principal languages obviously is Afrikaans, followed by isiXhosa and English. Main industries is finance 23%, trade, catering and accommodation 15%, manufacturing 14%. South Africa's GDP 52.2 58.2 billion dollars in 2025. Unemployment rate 23.3, lowest in South Africa. Traffic ekaphangelwa into eKapa ungatsho nje. Metric pass rate 2024 86.6. Key features: major tourist destination, home to Cape Town, significant finance and trade sectors. And I thank you. National population goes 64.75 million 2025. Baninzi madwala baninzi. Baninzi. Awufuna ayazi my province yakho, otherwise I'm done with the South African videos. Like South Africa is a country large, but the videos I'm going to make is self improvement videos for people to improve their selves spiritually, emotionally, psychologically, sexually, mentally, zonke alezi yabo. So those ziividiyo endizazenza for people. This self-improvement. We must improve ourselves sexually, emotionally, physically, psychologically, spiritually, and all the alleys. We must improve ourselves in all the alleys. So for now, South Africa, I think I'm gonna pause for this week. I'm gonna return to South African in the large and go on to August. Yeah, that's it, fit. But I will sharp.